Hi guys, my name is Katrina and I'm going to talk you through the amazing Derivan pouring medium. It's brand new, so get yourself some of this quick smart, and if you're interested we're going to take you through a demonstration how to do a dirty pour. So if you stay with me now, I'm going to take you through it and you're going to learn some tips and tricks and you'll be creating some amazing artwork by the end of this demonstration. We're going to create a dirty pour today. So what things you might need. Obviously we want a nice beautiful hard surface to hold the medium on. If you end up using a like a canvas or something just a little bit looser material, it's going to warp. So the best thing is usually a wooden surface or a canvas panel board, so something that's rigid. So we've got the board today, and we've also have some pre-mixed pouring medium. What you do is you can place the pouring medium into a cup. Probably we can just say 100 mils per colour, 100 mils, and then just a couple of drops of the Matisse fluid in each one, and then give it a stir and leave it overnight. Preferably decant it into one of these great bottles. So they're called refillables and they're wonderful. So try that out. But today we're just going to focus on the pouring medium and creating a dirty pour. What we have actually would have prepped for is, depending on the size of the board, we want to get it get preferably 3 cups, and what's a good idea is put some blue tack or some moulding putty or something like that under on the base of the cup. So basically then you're going to evenly space it around the base like that, and then turn that, because the cups are obviously going to stay on there because of the blue tack, turn that back onto the table and you've got a nice surface to start with, and it's a little bit above the table because ultimately when you're pouring the medium it's going to fall down off onto the table, and when it dries it can often stick. So we want to use a spirit level. You can find these at hardware store. Sit that down onto the surface and you'll see that bubble slowly make its way. If it's not, then you're going to have to adjust. You can use this great app to check its level, so ultimately you want it on 0. So now we're going to apply some paint to the bottom of this cup. We're going to, with our pre-mixed medium with fluid, we're going to add a bit of white to the bottom. Now it's a good idea to kind of use the edge of the cup to drag around, kind of like little stripes. This kind of, you'll understand why this helps with the mixing when it gets turned over at the end and the big reveal is shown. So now we're going to then apply our other pre-mixed colours. I'm gonna pour in a little bit of black. Oops, oh no. Spillage. Okay, this is always a good idea to have handy, is have your wet wipes around. It's a purple in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to tip that table over, or our little makeshift table, and pop our cup in the middle of the panel and then flip as quick sticks as you can. So what we're going to do is we're going to just add around the cup a little bit. We'll just start with that first, and then we're gonna let go of this baby. So we're just gonna let that wonder go. And what we'd like to do is, while it's slowly coming out, tilt your little makeshift table. If you see any little bubbles, you get your little stick and knock those ones out as soon as you see them. give it a bit more interest.